To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Open the group chat where you would like to view the list of past members. Then, tap the group name at the top to access the group info. Swipe up to scroll down, and navigate to the Members section. If there are too many members in the group, scroll down, and tap View All. Now, swipe up to scroll all the way down. At the bottom you will see the option, View Past Members. Tap on it. You will then see a list of people who left or were removed from the group, with a note indicating whether they left or were removed. Keep in mind that WhatsApp only shows past participants from the last 60 days. If someone left or was removed more than 60 days ago, their name will not appear. This feature helps you keep track of who left or was removed from the group within the last 60 days. So that's how you can see past members in a group chat on WhatsApp.